Emulsifying body butter with 100% tallow butter. At the end of this video, you will learn how to make your emulsifying body butter with 100% tallow butter. Diamond signature. Phase 1, water phase. Get a clean bowl, take note of the actual measurement and then multiply times how much quantity you want it. Add distilled water and glycerin together, put it in a double boiler to make it warm. Make sure is distilled glycerin herbs to maintain the skin. Moisture, it helps to smoothen it, for this it is good for dry skin. Make sure you bring your pH strip aside to measure the pH of your body cream. It is very good after making any skincare products that is being used on the skin. They have different pH range. For body cream the pH range is between 5 and 6. Second phase, oil phase, contains wax cetyl alcohol stearic acid. Jojoba oil, turmeric oil or any carrier oil of your choice, add together, put in your double boiler, allow it to melt.
Oil and water, a quiet dance in the jar, breaking the wax to a fluid grace. It's a weightless drift, leaving no scar. Diamond signature, a velvet embrace. Diamond signature, the emulsified glow, melting the heavy where the soft currents flow. Ooh, soft and slow. Serums that drift in a light embrace. Body butters melt, leave a satin trace. Diamond signature, the soul of the room. Soaps, body wash in a floral bloom. Laundry wash, shampoos, hair care flow. Diamond signature, watch the beauty grow. Peel back the noise of the day. Find your own light, your own way. Diamond signature. Your true reflection starts.
Your oils is now melted together. Bring it down, bring down your warm glycerine and your warm distilled water. That you had it together, then pour it together. Pour your water into your oils, and this is where the real process started to get in your grinder or your hand grinder. Grind to trace, allow it cool. Go in with your cooling phase, add in your preservative, your fragrance, additives, your color grinds, and mix together. Shake your pH in any skin product you are making. You're going in with your pH that have different range of pH for your different skin product. For body cream, we have pH range of 5 to 5. 5 is good, and you can see this my body cream is a pH range of 5. This is brightening emulsifying body butter because I added turmeric oil in it. I added bricketing body butters natural. Anyone you can choose to add aloe vera gel, any.
The alchemy, the transformation. Oil and water, a quiet dance in the jar, breaking the wax to a fluid grace. It's a weightless drift, leaving no scar. Diamond signature, a velvet embrace. Diamond signature, the emulsified glow, melting the heavy where the soft currents flow.
Diamond signature. If you like this emulsifying body butter recipe, like, share, comment. Support me by liking and sharing, comment. And if you want to order your own tallow 100% butter,